ThinkDigits presents VisionIQ 3D for inline surface deviation measurement during manufacturing. VisionIQ 3D utilizes a three-dimensional camera to scan manufactured parts such as this fairing. The scanned fairing is then converted into a detailed 3D model. Zooming in, we can see intricate details captured by the 3D scan. VisionIQ 3D pinpoints deviations from the intended design. The area outlined in red is out of tolerance. The area outlined in green is within normal specifications. The VisionIQ 3D software allows you to load a reference part file. Then, select the scan of the part you want inspected. Click Start Comparison to initiate the analysis. The software measures point-to-point and surface normal deviations, comparing the scanned part to the reference model with high precision. Analysis results appear as a color-coded 3D visualization, helping you quickly locate any out-of-spec areas. You can download a PDF report for effortless sharing and documentation. The PDF includes key metrics, deviation data, and performance timings. Contact ThinkDigits to learn more about VisionIQ 3D.